Thank you for joining me today. We are in my craft room and I have some unboxings for you today. I have one mystery kit and 4 other kits that I purchased after Cyber Monday. I'm still waiting for my 3 of my mystery boxes to come in, but until then, I thought we'd go ahead and unbox these. I'm gonna get situated and I'll be right back. This one is Nantucket Sunset by Joseph Holuk. It's 38 by 22 or 96.3 by 55.8 centimeters. It is a square kit. It has 67 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealis and 5 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 86,688. The toolkit, which I've shown on other videos. I'm not going to do it for each of these. The canvas, the card. Let's see what we got for this one. A silver, yay! I looked at this one a couple times when it first came out of this year, but the rendering of it looked just like the artist's work. I'm just very curious about how close to the original artwork versus the rendering. It just, when I flipped through them, I couldn't see a difference. So the card for the first one is Nantucket Sunset, and it's a silver. The original artwork, the stickers. And here is the canvas. I liked how much this brightened up in the house, just the glow, and it really is lovely. The color palette, drawn to this one. I want to live in that house by the water. So there's Nantucket Sunset. Okay, let's get to the next one. The next canvas is An Earthly Tree with Branches in Heaven by Lena Owens, 25.6 by 38.6 inches or 65 centimeters by 97.8 centimeters. It is a square kit with 88 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealis and 3 fairy dust diamonds for a total of 102,573 drills. Set the toolkit aside. And the card is a bronze. The original artwork and the stickers. Wowzer. This one is a beauty. Look at all the colors. I am into ancestry, family trees, and the age of 50, I'm 57 now. I learned from a DNA test that the man who I was told was my biological father is not my biological father. But in doing DNA research and family tree research, I was able to find my biological father, but he already deceased and he did not know that I existed. So family tree is our anchor in many, many ways. Whether we want to like it or not, DNA matters and it doesn't lie. And it can tell you a lot about yourself. I understand nature versus nurture. I believe there's a lot to nurturing, but you cannot deny DNA. Here's the color palette. Looks like a lot of confetti, a little bit of color blocking, but since I'm into family tree DNA, it was appropriate. And my sister even mentioned it. She's like, that looks like something you would get. And I had looked at it, but I have so many, and then I gave in and I bought it. Okay, this next one, Afternoon Tea by Art by Julia, 23.6 by 29.5 inches or 60 by 74.9 centimeters. It is a square kit with 72 colors, 2 Aurora Borealis, 1 frosted diamond, and 3 fairy dust diamonds for a total of 72,541 drills. card. We did get one. These are not guaranteed in every kit, but it's always fun to receive one. It looks like a bronze. Yep. The original artwork and the color palette. And here is the canvas. Afternoon tea. I have one other Art by Julia canvas, and that's Duck Bath, and it's cute. And I purchased this one because I won't hang it in my house, but I enjoy the color purple. And I like the fact that she's having some tea and there are plants around her and books, because I do like reading and I do love plants. So, and then her slippers are over there. She's just chilling, chillaxing. She's just relaxing and chilling. Here's the color palette. This next one is a mystery kit. It's the Christmas mystery kit, Festive by Creative Studio, 31.5 by 23.6 or 79.9 centimeters by 60 centimeters. It has 61 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis and 4 fairy dust diamonds, for a total of 77,361 drills. Now, there are a lot of mystery kits out there, and if you're in the Facebook mystery group, you may have already seen this image. I saw the image, and when I saw the image, I had to have it. So if you don't want to see the mystery image, now's the time for you to go to the end of the video. I don't have any other unboxings after this one. And thank you for joining us today to see this, but we're going to move on. You might want to just skip ahead. Okay, so when you unbox a mystery kit, you get the canvas, the toolkit, which I set aside, the thank you card, treasure quest card, and then this little notification that basically, to sum it up, says, please don't post this on social media, spoiling it for other people. Give warnings before you do unroll the canvas or share the canvas so that people know in advance and they aren't spoiled by the mystery. This is a bronze. Yes. A bronze, and you just get the name of the mystery kit. And when you look at the color palette, it is black and white, so that you slowly reveal the image as you're doing the mystery. It's not a true mystery for me, obviously, because I already know what the image is, but I like knowing. And I've never done a mystery kit before. I know what the image is. I loved it. I'm excited about it. I have 3 more mystery boxes coming. Here is the mystery kit. You can't tell what it is. Diamond Art Club does a great job hiding it. I know what it is, and some of you may know what it is. This is the color palette. Pretty Christmassy. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed these unboxings and that you will click like and subscribe on your way out. You all have a good day.